really to start answering this question because 1 year back when I joined one conference, somebody came and asked me, what do you think about the AI governance? I had no idea what I was thinking. So last year I spent on really investigating this question, talking to a lot of people. And one of the challenges, I even delivered a 6-hour workshop lately in the Washington. And what I've seen, first of all, we must agree what AI is here, because I've seen, my belief is that AI is simply data, because data comes in, we have software, which is also can be considered as metadata, and then data goes out. Yeah. So finally, when I realized it, my question was, why do we need to separate AI governance from data governance? But then I've seen a very interesting dynamic in the industry, because some companies really combine data and AI governance and put a chief data officer as a head. Some companies totally separate them, and some simply think, yeah, maybe yes, maybe not. Yes, or finally it goes about alignment. And I even recently published the new book, Aligning Data and AI Governance, because many factors impact the decision organization must take, whether to integrate or disintegrate these governance frameworks. So it's not really very simple solution, but I still believe that some sort of, at least some level of integration must take place, because there are many common capabilities, data management capabilities required for AI governance as well.
Irina, can you elaborate on particularly the benefits of keeping them separate? Because coming into this webinar, I was very much of the view that they should be tightly integrated. Because
No,
just as you
my
say,
opinion is as well, they must be tightly coupled, but let's take as an example as Microsoft, yeah, because I did a lot of investigations on different industry frameworks and different regulations applied worldwide. And Microsoft is one of the examples when they totally separated these functions. So when I spoke to a chief AI officer here in the Netherlands of Microsoft, they say, yeah, historically it happened. For me, it doesn't make much sense because it will duplicate a lot of functions, like, data quality, why we can, of course, managing quality of AI-related data may have some sort of additional dimensions, but simply separating them, for me, it's useless. So finally, but as I mentioned during the discussions with different participants, because the question is that we not only need to think about integration of data and AI governance frameworks, but risk framework. Because when we dealt only with data governance, we didn't think much about governing data risks. But with implementing AI governance, this is one of the key topics. Yeah? So finally, we just now speak about the triangle: meta and data management governance framework, AI governance framework, and risk. So this is the question every company must answer on its own way, but I also support the idea that they must be integrated to some extent.